Value Research Fund Advisor is an integrated service which will fulfill the needs of most users who have been aspiring to get everything at one place: advice, transaction, and review of their investments. On the advice front, you get a curated list of mutual funds worth investing. There are thousands of funds, and handful of them are worth investing. And the handful of them are picked by our analysts, resulting from a deep analysis and interaction with the fund managers. And not only that, they keep an eye on that. They keep an eye on each and every fund that we recommend. So, analyst choice is very much a part of it. So, that is one level. The second is that if you want to invest for a certain goal, we have devised a portfolio planner. This portfolio planner, based on critical question and based on your risk tolerance, is able to make recommendation which we think will not give you any negative surprise. Choosing a good fund is not the only thing. Choosing the appropriate fund, choosing the right kind of fund which will match with your temperament is crucial. So this is something which this offer. Portfolio planner recommends the right mutual fund for your goals. After advice, a close tracking. I have come across many investors who have been accidental mutual fund investors. And once they have invested, they really don't know. They want to keep track of things. They want to be on top of things. They want to really get a reaffirmation, validation that the fund that they have invested in, is it good? Is it not worth investing? Is it the right one? Is it the appropriate one? Third is that, you can also transact. Transact meaning when you use the portfolio planner, it is able to give you a recommendation. And if you want to invest in those funds, you can invest right then and there. And all the investments through Value Research Fund Advisor is invested in the commission-free direct plans. Not only that, we will also be enabling, a mechanism whereby the funds which we say that you should not own, we will be able to make a recommendation for making a tax-efficient redemption or load-efficient redemption, because you invested in a fund, it's not worth holding. But if you hold it for one more month, you will be out of that exit load period or something like that, or you will cross the threshold of 1 year for an equity fund. So tax and load efficient redemption suggestions in case of an appropriate fund, and then you will be able to execute that transaction right then and there. Fund advisor is not meant for advanced investor. In fact, mutual funds are meant for ordinary investors, for people like my father, people like my uncle, who don't know much about finance. And that is why you go to a professional fund manager. You entrust your money. But you need to choose the right vehicle. You need to, because there are 36 kind of mutual funds. There are all kind of ETFs, there are all kind of index funds. Which is the right one for you? It's a very confusing world. So this simplifies it. Log into Fund Advisor, use the portfolio planner, give your specification, and it will be able to give you the right vehicle, make the good recommendation. Not only it will give you the good recommendation, when those recommendations are no longer good, the portfolio manager will be able to give you an alert, will able to flag those investments which are no longer good. So doing it in the right manner and doing it in a fashion which is tax efficient, you don't lose on making those changes, and be able to do it seamlessly. So it is meant for thoughtful investors, thoughtful people like my mother-in-law, like my father. All those people who want to be careful about their money, who want to invest thoughtfully, and but at the same time they are not knowledgeable, they are not financially sophisticated. They have broadly understood that mutual fund sahi hai, but they don't know which one. And there are different funds for different goals. So it is exactly meant for those people. Our recommendation methodology is based on 2-3 things. One is your level of experience. Somebody who has been investing for 15-20 years, somebody who has been investing for 4-5 years, somebody who has been investing for 1 or 2 years, or started just now, or it is going to be a first time investment. Their behavior or their reaction to market movements will be very different, and temperament is going to be the crucial ingredient of your investment success. So we try to gauge that. Not only that, we also do your risk assessment based on a set of questions when you onboard that service. So we really understand, we try and customize it based on your experience and temperament. Then comes, what is the time frame? You might be investing for 20 years, you might be investing for 25 years, you might be investing for 40 years or maybe forever. And so the advice changes based on your investment time frame. These insights are derived over the past 30 years while trying to answer investors' questions. We actually flag every fund as best buy. So if a fund has moved from best buy to buy, it may not be a sell, because when a fund becomes questionable, if a fund becomes not worth investing, not worthy of your money, then we clearly flag it sell. And the ones which we flag as sell are the ones which you should sell. Mini KYC is a limited KYC whereby I get to know, I'm able to authenticate that you are a real investor, and that is a mandatory requirement. If you don't want to do your transaction, mini KYC is good enough. Mini KYC does not require many other information, which I will otherwise, if you are going to do the transaction, there is a more rigorous set of compliances as compared to a mini KYC where I'm able to authenticate that, okay, you are a bona fide investor of a specific age, a citizen of this country to whom I am giving you an advice. Even an investor who is not going to transact through us, even to seek advice, I need to do your risk assessment.